Have you ever been updating your Power BI reports only to realize Excel just won't let you add any more rows? That's because Excel has a strict limit, exactly over 1 million rows. It looks like Excel can handle endless data, but if you're working with transactions, logs, or sensor data, you can hit that ceiling faster than you think. Here's the good news. Power BI is built for much bigger data. We are talking millions, even hundreds of millions of rows. So instead of forcing Excel to hold everything, the smarter way is to let Power BI connect directly to where your data really lives. In this video, I will walk you through 3 practical ways to do just that, so your reports can keep growing without slowing you down. The first option is the most powerful. Connect Power BI directly to a database. If your data is already stored in a system like SQL Server, Azure SQL, or even Microsoft Access, you don't need to funnel it through Excel. In Power BI, go to Connect to data from multiple sources, SQL Server, or whichever database you're using. Enter the connection details and Power BI will pull the data directly. From there, you can build all your visuals and reports without worrying about Excel's row cap. This option is perfect if your organization is already using databases. It's fast, scalable, and reliable. But what if you don't have access to a database? That's where option 2 comes in. Option 2 is one of my personal favorites because it's simple and flexible. Use the folder method. Here's how it works. Instead of stuffing millions of rows into a single Excel file, you split your data into smaller files. For example, you might keep one file per month: January sales, February sales, March sales, and so on. Then you save all those files inside one folder. In Power BI, you go to Connect to data from multiple sources. Click on More to see the other options. Folder, point it to that folder on your desktop. I have mine in my downloads and it's saved as sales report. And you get this pop-up with all the files listed in the folder. You'll be given an option to combine it, load it straight into Power BI as it is, or transform the data in Power Query. I'm going to click on Load to have them individually loaded in Power BI. We've got the data loaded as a folder, Sales Report. If you go to the table view, you have the individual ones listed. So each time you get a new data, say maybe for a new month, you just drop the new file into this folder. For instance, if I have the report for March duplicated and have it renamed to April sales, all you have to do is to go to the Power BI report. From the Home tab, click Refresh All Tables, and boom, everything updates automatically. This method is great if your data comes in chunks, like monthly reports, weekly extracts, or daily logs. No more fighting Excel's row limit. You simply let Power BI stack the files together. Now, what if your files live online? Maybe your team saves everything in OneDrive, SharePoint, or even Azure Data Lake. That's where option 3 comes in. Connect Power BI directly to your cloud storage. For example, if your Excel or CSV files are in SharePoint, you can use Power BI SharePoint folder connector, which is right here. It works just like the local folder method, but instead of pointing to your computer, it points to the cloud. You can also take things a step further by using Power BI Dataflows. So if I search for Dataflows, you have the option listed. Think of Dataflows as a staging area in the cloud where you clean and prepare your data once and then reuse them across multiple reports. This is especially helpful if you're working in a team or need consistency across different dashboards. So let's recap. If you've maxed out Excel's roles while working in Power BI, 1. Connect directly to a database for unlimited scalability. 2. Use the folder method to combine multiple smaller files automatically. And 3. Connect to cloud storage or Dataflows for collaboration and flexibility. The key takeaway is this: Excel was never built for massive data sets. Power BI was. So instead of forcing Excel to hold it all, let Power BI do the heavy lifting. If you'd like me to create a full step-by-step tutorial showing you exactly how to set up each of these methods, drop me a comment below and let me know. And if this video helped you, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss the next one.